so this is going to be a quick nail tutorial. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, and I already prepped my nails and everything, so I'll be using a top coat and a base coat. And I'm also going to be using Nail Addict. The first the first thing I was going to use is Beetles by Beetles, and this is also by Beetles as well. I'm sorry. And I'll be using this nail file, this little bead up, and a dotting tool, as you guys can see here, for the marble design. Okay, so everything is prepped in the UV light, as you see on the corner here, and some acetone because I prepped my nails prior to, and you may need it for, you know, whatever. But that's about it. Okay, so I did my other hand. I'm going to apply the base coat. Every time you apply any gel polish, after every layer, you are going to put it under the UV light so it can cure. Okay, make sure you're not making thick layers. If you're going to do double layers, you want to make sure that you are applying a thin coat, even with the base coat, because you are applying a lot of layers. So basically, if your polish is not opaque enough, you're basically going to be applying a lot of layers, so you'll apply it twice. I don't think I did 2 layers, I'm not sure. I did 2 layers on my other hand. I forgot to because I guess I was rushing. So basically, yeah, you want to just do that, and then, you know, put it under the UV light, and you're done. As you guys can see, I'm placing dots on the nails, and I'm making sure that I'm just putting it in, you know, whatever place, it doesn't matter, and just swirl it around. Sometimes it's kind of hard because I'm using my left hand, but it's basically really self-explanatory, and I don't want to talk through the whole video because this video is not too long, and that's just basically it about that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be doing more nail tutorials and more nail videos, nails of the week and stuff like that. If you like these types of videos, please hit the like and let me know, and any requests, please let me know, and I will be doing more nail videos, and that's just basically it about that. Okay, all right, I'll put down all of the materials used in the description bar below, so please check that out, and check out my other nail videos that I have in the iCard or in the end card or in my description box below. Okay, all right, I'm done. This was quick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a blessed day. Blessed day when you're watching this. Be safe. Peace. Bye.